Welcome to Indotherm Boilers, manufacturer and exporter of industrial boilers and pressure vessels. The company was established in 2009 at Pune. We export to African and Gulf countries. Tata, Coca-Cola and Bajaj are some of our elite clients. We are backed by transparent business policies and longer functional life. We offer a wide array of steam generation boilers, pressure, and flash vessels. Our air receivers and fire hydrants are in huge demand across the global markets. We offer steam heater and feed water heaters that are acknowledged for their functionality. Boiler repair and modification services offered by us are available at industry-leading prices. Along with that, we offer tank and chimney fabrication services that are a class apart. We also provide hydraulic oil flushing system and mobile lighting tower that are extremely reliable. For more information, log on at www.indothermboilers.in.